Alright, this is the first time ever doing DavidM236. What's going on, David?
Not much, just been, home because of quarantine, staying safe.
Alright. And we doing it on the Nexus. I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the EDO Pro Tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. You ready? I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Dude!
Ooh, you got that rock.
I'll go first. Come on. How are the cards? Oh. Game over.
Static on my end here. Sorry for that. There we go.
Activate Numeron network. Why can't I?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
they're already in. Numeron calling. I'll just do 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's about it. And then 3 number XZ monsters with the same rank.
Oh,
1,
yep.
2, 3. XZ Shoken. Number S0 Utopic Zexel.
That's what, yep. The best stack right now.
Fernando.
And just detach, how this works.
Detach.
Yep.
Once per opponent's turn, quick effect, you can detach 1 XZ material from this card. Your opponent cannot activate cards and card effects. Oh, you chained that. Oh, you chained it.
Chained it, yep. Let's go with these.
El Shaddai Fusion. Oh, jeez. It's gonna go for it, yeah. Oh. El Shaddai Winda. Oh.
I can't use the effect, of course. Damn it. Misplay, I don't know if I'm glad. Because I can't activate the effect for the rest of the turn.
Eldritch. Send Quero. Target and send.
Nice.
Your Overraptor. Then I will. Numeron calling. I'll do 4 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Set. Eldritch Grave. Send.
Yep. Send the trap.
Add.
Nice.
What the heck is this? You know what? Yeah, Scarlet Chain. I will do with Conquistador.
Nice.
What is this? Why couldn't I sell? Oh, it's a once per turn thing.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, it's because of Windows effect. You can only special summon once per turn.
Oh, what?
Yeah, Windows effect.
Well, let's see. I think it's game right here. Blah. I think it's already game right here. Number 1. Attack Winda. I'll take some. Can't be destroyed by battle. Effect.
And it gains attack.
Double. I'll
Okay.
take some. Effect. Double.
Yep.
Attack.
Double again.
You'll take. Effect. What is this?
Get this back to hand.
Okay. And then number 4. Numeron Gate Kadvari.
Oh, nice.
No, there's no side deck to this, so side incomplete. No side deck yet.
Yeah, same. Same as one.
Oh no, it's Soul Eating Overraptor.
Ooh, infinite impermanence.
Infinite Impermanence.
Nice. That's gonna negate it, I think, anyway.
You always have that, don't you?
3 of them.
I don't know if you're gonna be going into. You know what? I'm gonna Ghost Reaper,
Ooh.
and I'll do Christian Alki 5 Brax.
Can we go back?
Can't be sure what opponent's called. Winda. Dang it, Winda. Miscellaneousaurus. How did you get Miscellaneousaurus?
Because of Overraptor. Because it left the field before impermanence could affect it.
Oh, missed the timing. Okay.
Yep.
That's interesting.
Let's go with the other one.
What's happening here? Can you explain what's happening?
Oh yeah, so what I'm doing right now is what I did, right, is I summoned out Winda. I used Skolmata and my Overraptor. Skolmata's effect activated, allowing me to send one Shaddoll monster from deck to graveyard. So I sent Wendy, and then Wendy's effect, when it's sent to the graveyard by a card effect, I can special summon one Shaddoll monster from my deck and face on defense position. So I special summoned Falco.
What does Falco do? What's his flip effect?
Its flip effect lets me target one Shaddoll monster in my graveyard and special summon it and face on defense.
Okay.
Yep. And we're gonna go ahead and since it's first turn, I'll pass.
What's the defensive? What's his name?
Oh, Falco 1400.
Okay. Well, draw phase. Numeron Wall. Numeron Network.
Ooh, nice.
Activate Numeron Network. Numeron Calling. What is this? No, I don't want to do that. Do 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4. Then I'll activate Memories of Hope.
Nice. Refill the hand.
Oh no. Oh wait. That could be that. Crap. Let me just check this deck out real quick. Up in here.
Oh boy. Cursed Outland.
Curse Outland.
Yep.
Alright, I got Outlash Golden Lord.
Nice.
Oh, no way. I screwed it up.
Oof.
I think I screwed it up.
Yeah.
There's a window. Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Window, yeah. Window kind of locks them out, unfortunately.
Cannot be destroyed by opponent's card effect, so I can't even do that. You know what? Yeah. You know, I almost screwed up there.
Oh, damn. He still got it.
I think I still got it here. No. No, I don't want to do that. Still normal. Eldritch? I can still Eldritch. Oh, I can still Eldritch. Jesus. No, I could not Eldritch. Jeez. Oh, I can't even. Am I not reading his effects battle?
Selfish.
No. Attack. I'll take.
Let's go for.
This guy can't be destroyed by battle or something? Oh, wait. Never mind.
It was at 14.
Yeah.
This was at 1,000.
Yeah. Come on, that's not even game right here.
Damn close though.
That's not even game.
Oh, no.
Katvari, destroy. Oh wow. Sure. Doesn't really matter. I wasted a bunch of resources there. It's okay.
Yep. Here's my monster. Get to Zexel.
It's okay. It's.
And he still has the old lurch.
Gold line forever.
Nice.
Still set? Oh yeah, okay. End phase. End phase. Yeah, here we go. Let me set that. Banish. Banish. And then end phase number 4. I will do draw phase. Zexel. Chain it with Scarlet.
Scarlet, yep.
No. Alright.
Okay, good. His turn. Alright. I can still special summon. And doesn't get card or effects.
Oh no.
And activate that.
The Pancrotops. No!
Turn them over. Two. Else.
Should have said Conquistador. I should have said Conquistador.
Set one pets.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Eldritch. Send Aquero. Target and send. Banner Wrestler Pankratops. Oh.
Let's go ahead.
And you're gonna tribute himself to do that, but then I will just counter trap Goldland Forever tribute to negate. Now I can. Yeah, I'll go for it. Well, I want to go for that. Numeron Network, Numeron calling. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Battle. Number 1 attack. Number 2.
Attack again.
Number 3. Numeron. Gate. Trini. Finisher.
Yep. Fatality. Nice.
All right. Thank you, DavidM236 for the duel.
Yeah, no worries, man. That was insane. First time playing against it. First time playing against that deck too. I've been hearing a lot about it, and I can see why it's so good.
Yeah. And sub if you liked it, like if you sub it. See you guys.